Intelligence analysts say that Pakistan has the fastest growing nuclear arsenal anywhere in the world.
I don't
Why?
think, I don't know where they've come up with this. Pakistan's nuclear arsenal is simply as a deterrent to protect ourselves.
But you're growing it, not shrinking it.
Our nuclear, the only one purpose, it's not an offensive thing. Any country which has a neighbor 7 times the size as Pakistan has would be worried.
Is your goal vis-a-vis India and Pakistan nuclear disarmament?
I'm completely against nuclear arms. I always have been. We've had 3 wars against India. And ever since we've had nuclear deterrent, we have had no war between the two countries. We have border skirmishes. The moment there's a settlement on Kashmir, I believe the two neighbors will live as civilized people. We will not need to have these nuclear deterrents.